So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can design CV, resume, foot menu, poster card, logo, ID card, or whatever you want. You can design without any software, without any skill. It's very easy. You just have to write here Canva. Canva is a website. You have to log in and sign up an account. You have to create account. So let's start. Canva. You have to enter here. I have already made my account. You just have to create account. After searching the Canva, you have to click and search here which template you want. For example, you want a CV design, you want a poster, whatever you want, you can search here easily. For example, I'm going to search about ID card, or I'm going to search about CV. You have to search here CV. I have searched CV. As you can see here, a lot of CVs, you can use whichever CV you want. Here are a lot of CVs. There's a little bit difference. Here's a pro and here's a paid. If your Canva is paid version, you can use anyone you want. If your Canva is free version, you can use just selected which don't have a pro or paid watermark. For example, I'm going to use this one. You have to click here, and now you have to click on customize this template. After clicking on customize this template, you are going to see these options. We have to zoom it, as we can see easily. I have zoomed the template. Now I'm going to scroll it. Here's the name of man, here's the name of person. For example, I'm going to write it Safir. If you want to reduce size or increase or decrease size, you can easily decrease or increase size from here. If you want to change the color of the font, you can change the color from here. If you want to bold or whatever you want, you can do from here. If you want bullets, effects, you can use from easily here. If you want to change this picture, you just have to come here. You have to come here, upload, and you have to upload your picture which you want to upload in your CV, which you want to add in your CV. For example, I don't have a right picture now. I'm going to add this one. This is a rough picture. I'm going to add this one. You have to click on this and you have to drag here. For example, I have uploaded this. For example, I have uploaded this picture. So if you want to this add, you can click here and then you can add here. Your picture has been added. Now you have to edit your description. You can easily do that here, whatever you want. And you can add or edit. You can add information or edit information. Any information you want to add or any information you want to delete, you can easily do that. I hope you understand this video. Let me know in comment section on which topic you want the next video. See you in the next video.